This here is a 1996 Dodge Ram 3500. Has the 5.9 Cummins diesel, 12-valve Cummins. Truck only has 78,000 miles on it. This is a beautiful 1-ton dually. See that there's no rust anywhere. Paint shines really, really good. There's no dents or scratches anywhere. The tires have less than 40 or 50 miles on them. Very clean truck all the way around. See how well the paint shines there. It's almost like a mirror. See, the Laramie here has power windows, power locks, as well as power mirrors. Cruise control settings in the steering wheel there. This truck is a 5-speed stick shift. You can see it's got the reliable floor shifter for the 4-wheel drive there. Has a aftermarket radio. See if the dash is not cracked or anything. Not split, nothing like that. The radio does have a remote that goes to it there. See that the headliner is not ripped or falling down anywhere. There's no stains or rips anywhere. Go ahead and start it up for you here. See the mileage there in the speedometer. Jump in now, take the truck for a test drive. Show you how good this truck drives. As soon as I get buckled up here, pop the parking brake. This truck has a noticeably smooth clutch let out. Doesn't grab or shudder or anything like that. Doesn't grind or hesitate going into gear. I'm gonna head up the hill here so you can hear how good it shifts. Doesn't grind, hesitate going into any gear. Goes through all 5 of them very smoothly. .9, really built to last forever with that straight 6 design. Really don't wear out. With only 78,000 miles on this one. 5-speed behind it. It's got a lifetime ahead of it yet. Front end is nice and tight. There's no clunks or rattles coming from the front end at all. There's no slop in the steering wheel, no play or anything like that. Truck doesn't pull or veer veer off or anything like that. Steering wheel is centered, truck drives straight. You can hear the brakes. Slow down to go around this corner up here. Here they don't squeak, whine, or anything like that. They don't cause any kind of pops or rattles or nothing. Brakes are not spongy feeling or anything. They're nice and firm up top, right where they should be. Tell by the way the truck drives that it's been taken care of, hasn't been abused or used as a work truck or anything like that. Not a single thing out of place, front to back anywhere. The truck really handles like you'd imagine a low mileage truck like this would drive.